Dear Diary, I managed to pull the hoodie off my head. I managed to get in front of the camera and show you a part of my hair. Did you know I almost shaved my hair off because of the state of my hair? So close to cutting my hair off, I completely screwed my hairline here. It is not even at all. Dear Diary, I was watching YouTube videos on the diva cut, and so I was attempting to give myself a diva cut. My thoughts were my hair will not completely be shaved off. It'll give my hair some shape, maybe even a little volume. And so after I got done doing the cut, after watching YouTubeversity, I felt confident I can cut my hair. So after the cut was done, I attempted a wash and go, and my hair was so limp, it just felt lifeless. My hair looked like it had given up on me. Dear Diary, I am still struggling. Every time I take my hair down to wash it or comb it, I am struggling with a lot of this shedded hair or hair breakage, no matter how gentle I am with my hair. I saved this piece of hair. I figured maybe I need to determine if I'm still low porosity or if I'm high porosity, if I need to change the products that I'm using or my process, in hopes of that would help me to learn what it is my hair truly needs. I'm struggling. Dear Diary, this is why I haven't really wanted to do videos here lately about my hair, because I'm truly at a standstill. I can't afford to go to an actual professional regarding my hair because I'm up to my neck with just adulting and all that goes with adulting, the bills. I cannot afford to even pay a professional to look at my hair at this time. Dear Diary, I am struggling. I'm trying to hold on. I told my mom and siblings that I'm considering shaving my hair off, and they keep telling me to hold out and hold tough. But it's a struggle. It's a struggle. It's a struggle. Until next time.